Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, I'm going to start off looking at a trade idea in Deere. This was brought up in the chat room today, and I always feel like you gotta, step back and look at this weekly view to really give perspective on where you are in this and which way it is trending. So, I think this is a pretty easy example of looking at lower left to upper right, pretty clean pattern of higher highs and higher lows. And, this is something I'm looking to participate in. Then, if we come down into the daily chart, as is the foundation of most of these videos, we go down into the daily squeeze. So when we have this, it starts to show up as a mature compression, or essentially another way of describing range-bound trade. Right? We know that this range is not going to last forever, so at some point it's either going to become a $450 stock, or it's going to become something like a $600 stock. I am more of the opinion of looking up into 600, and I think that the run into earnings could be beneficial for that. So what I like to do here is come out and buy either the at-the-moneys or even like the Delta 30 call options in the series that are just out past the earnings. Then if we can see some anticipation, a little bit of a run up into the report, well then I'll sell half or 3/4 of that position, and then I can maybe turn it into a vertical or something of that nature. But squeezes for run into earnings with really solid patterns I think are worth your time, and I hope you find that a worthy addition to your watch list. You guys have a great rest of your evening. We'll see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.